Okay, so this is the outside where I just was. They've got this like crazy nice view of the lake. That's the hot tub over there where I was just sitting. It's all undercover. They got this nice walkway. Little outside setup. They have a dumbwaiter, which is just amazing. So when you're barbecuing over here, you know, you don't have the energy to carry the hot dogs down yourself. You just send them in the dumbwaiter. It's just friggin' amazing. So let's go in the house. Go back over here. This is the downstairs. It's kind of unfinished, but it's fairly nice. Fireplace. I got the bathroom and a room over here, which is really nice. Super nice bathrooms. And then let's go check out the upstairs. Check out this entrance. Yes. The brown one? This is their entrance. It's nice. You're sorry. This is their kitchen. Oh, Molly is. Check Molly out. She looks like she's having a horrible time. Say hi to my family, babe. Kitchen, you know, it's okay. And I'll show you our room, our fancy room. Well, we're passing the bathroom, so wait, let's get out wide here. There we go. Sink. Big, huge shower. So nice. This is our room for the night. I guess it'll do, hey? That's me. Little sitting area. It's okay, I'll just start flipping switches. Oh, I was close. You can't see right now, but I got a super nice view of the lake. This is a little deck outside. Just sitting out there. That's about it. So I'll have another vlog for tomorrow. Would you like to?
This is too close.